Hey gardeners! As the colder months approach, it's time to start thinking about which plants can bring life, color, and beauty to our gardens even in winter. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, I'll be sharing a variety of winter hardy plants that can brighten up any garden. Let's dive in. Winter gardening may seem challenging, but it's incredibly rewarding. Many plants thrive in the cold, adding color and texture to your outdoor space while other gardens lay dormant. Today we'll explore some beautiful winter plants that withstand frosty temperatures and can make your garden a standout this season. Let's start with winter flowering shrubs. These hardy shrubs bloom when most plants are hibernating, giving your garden color and fragrance even on the coldest days. Winter jasmine. Winter jasmine is an easy-to-grow shrub that produces bright yellow blooms, even in harsh winter conditions. This shrub looks amazing against a backdrop of snow, bringing cheerful color to your garden. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is another fantastic choice. Its unique, twisted yellow or red flowers appear on bare branches in winter, creating a stunning display. Plus, it has a wonderful fragrance that fills the garden. Camellia. For a touch of elegance, camellias are ideal. These shrubs bloom with beautiful rose-like flowers in various colors from red to pink to white. They're also evergreen, so you'll have lush foliage all winter long. Next up, let's talk about winter-blooming perennials. These plants come back year after year and can thrive in colder climates. Hellebores, winter roses. Hellebores, also known as winter roses, are winter-blooming perennials with stunning blooms that emerge in shades of pink, purple, white, and even green. They are low maintenance and add a charming look to any garden bed. Snowdrops. Snowdrops are small but mighty. These delicate white flowers peek through the snow, symbolizing hope and resilience. They're perfect for adding a magical touch to your winter garden. Cyclamen. Cyclamen brings vibrant color with shades of pink, red, and white. These low-growing flowers add a beautiful pop of color at ground level and are perfect for pots or garden beds. Evergreens are the backbone of any winter garden. They provide structure, color, and texture year-round, especially when other plants lose their leaves. Boxwood shrubs are a classic choice for winter gardens. They're easy to shape, making them perfect for hedges, topiaries, or even small garden accents. Junipers come in various shades, from green to blue to silvery tones. They're hardy and can tolerate cold temperatures, adding a lovely contrast in your garden. Holly bushes, with their iconic red berries, add festive color to any winter garden. They're also great for attracting birds, providing a natural food source during the colder months. Ornamental grasses add movement and texture to your winter garden. Their tall stalks and feathery plumes can look beautiful, especially with a light dusting of frost. Feather reed grass stands tall and adds elegance with its upright growth habit. In winter, its dried plumes create a stunning focal point. Switchgrass provides beautiful golden foliage in winter. It's hardy and easy to grow, making it a wonderful choice for low-maintenance winter interest. Let's not forget about ground covers. These low-growing plants add a lush carpet of color and texture, even in winter. English ivy is a classic choice that stays green year-round. It's perfect for covering walls, fences, or as a ground cover in garden beds. Ajuga is an evergreen ground cover with deep purple and green leaves. Its low-growing habit and vibrant color make it a great addition for winter. Periwinkle, or vinca, offers glossy green foliage and occasionally blooms with delicate blue or purple flowers even in cold weather. Before we wrap up, here are a few winter care tips to keep your garden thriving. Add a layer of mulch to protect the roots of your winter plants from freezing temperatures. Mulching helps retain moisture and insulates the soil. Though it's winter, don't forget to water your plants. Watering on warmer days can prevent plants from drying out, especially evergreens. Prune any dead or damaged branches to maintain plant health and encourage new growth come spring. That's it for today's guide to winter plants for your garden. With these hardy plants, you can create a vibrant, lively garden even in the coldest months. Let me know in the comments if you have any winter garden favorites, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. See you in the next video.